Hi everyone, welcome to day one of our Pilates journey. I'm Cheryl, and today we are focused on building a strong foundation, where we work on breathing, core engagement, and spinal articulation. Remember quality over quantity. Before we begin, I would like to know what's your biggest posture or workout frustrations. Share in the comments below, and your feedback helps me to tailor future videos to your needs. Let's begin. Let's start with the sitting breathing exercise to center ourselves and prepare our bodies. Sit comfortably, legs extend or bend, and gently flex your upper body over legs, resting, not forcing. We'll be here for 2 minutes. Focus on breathing deeply into the back of your ribcage. Inhale through your nose and then feel the expansion of your ribcage. Exhale through your mouth, letting your ribcage soften as you inhale. Imagine your breath filling your ribcage, expanding in all directions. On the exhale, feel your ribcage gently drawing inward. Keep your shoulder relaxed and your throat open. Soften any tensions with each exhale. And remember, this is just a gentle exercise. How does this feel compared to your usual breathing? Remember to share in the comments. Now let's transition our spinal breathing exercise. Lie on your back, knee bent, feet are flat on the mat, hip distance apart. Place one hand on your chest, the other hand on your belly. Breathe naturally and notice which hand moves more. Remember, there's no right or wrong here, just observe. Try to direct your breath into your lower ribcage and your belly first, and then into your chest. Feel the expansion under your hands. On each inhale, imagine creating space in your body. On each exhale, let go of any tension. Allow your body to become heavy on the mat. Try not to grip with your glutes or jaw. Again, which hand moves more for you, belly or chest? Let me know in the comments. Keep breathing, and you are doing a great job. Okay, let's move into our next exercise, imprint and release. This will increase our awareness of our spine. As you exhale, tilt your pelvis gently, pressing your lower back into the mat. As you inhale, release back to neutral. There will be a small arch in your lower back. We are going to repeat this around 5 to 10 reps. You should focus on engaging your abdominal as you tilt your pelvis. Can you feel the gentle and rocking movement on your spine? Make sure you are not pushing into floor with your feet. You are only using your abdominal muscle to complete this movement. So remember, focus on little details in the movement to activate the right muscles. How are we feeling so far? You got this. Alright, on to the next exercise. This is hip release. So you're going to keep lying on your back with knee bent. Gently draw that knee outward, away from the body. And then extend the leg long, point your toes. Rotate the legs toward the midline of your body and return to the bent knee position. And then place your feet back to the mat. So make sure that you know what sensations you are feeling. As you open the knee, can you feel those inner thigh muscles stretching? As you rotate in, can you feel the muscles on the outside of the hip engaging? Remember to maintain a stable pelvis. This movement should be isolated to hip joints, not a full body effort. We will finish 5 reps in one direction and then reverse the direction in the same leg. Let's repeat the same movement on the other leg. Next, it's ab prep exercise. This will target our upper abdominals. Bring your feet hip distance apart, place your hands behind your head, and then exhale as you curve your head and your neck off the mat. Inhale as you lower yourself down. Repeat this exercise for 10 reps and then you might take a break. Feel the movement come from your abdominals as you lift yourself off the mat. Keep your neck relaxed as you lift, and make sure your lower back stays imprint. Remember, we are not pulling on our neck to lift. Are you getting a burn yet? Tell me how are you feeling in the comments. Let's keep going. Alright, now for half roll back. This will warm up our core and improve our stabilization skill. Keep your feet planted on the ground, sit up tall and engage your core. As you exhale, roll halfway back until you feel your abdominal muscles start to shake. Keep your shoulder relaxed and your chin tucked towards your chest. Inhale to roll back to neutral. Repeat this for 10 reps and you might take a quick break in the between. This exercise should come from your core, not your hip flexor. Dip those feet into the mat. We are almost there. Keep pushing. Remember, Pilates is a tough exercise. Let's finish with child stretch, a Pilates version of child pose that engage our core. Start by kneeling on the mat and sit back on your heels, and then fold forward, lowering your chest towards your thighs. Extend your arms out in front of you, palms down on the mat. As you fold forward, engage abdominal. Think about pulling your belly button towards your spine, creating a slight hollowing in your lower abdominal. This engagement is the key. Differentiate it from the relaxing session pose. So, while maintaining the abdominal engagement, focus on your breath. Inhale deeply into your back. Feel it expanded. As you exhale, try to deeper the stretch, reaching your fingertips further forward while keeping your sit bone connect with your heels. Great work today, everyone. You have completed day 1 and taken the first step in your Pilates journey. How do you feel so far after complete this routine? What was the most difficult exercise for you? If you enjoyed this video, find it helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Pilates routines. Don't forget to share your experience in the comments below. Your feedback helps me create the content that supports you best. Thanks for joining me today. I will see you on next video.